In this video, you will learn how to force the display resolution and display scale of the internal and external display output of your Chrome device. The ability to do this is useful for hardware that does not properly negotiate resolution with the Chrome device. Doing this is also useful in certain cases where you want to use a lower resolution than what the screen is capable of displaying. To begin, log into your Google Admin Console. Next, navigate to the Devices section. On the left side of the navigation menu, click Chrome, Settings, and then click Device to access the device settings. Select the organizational unit, OU, on the left-hand side that you would like to apply the settings to. In the Device Settings tab, scroll down or search for the Display Settings heading. Under the Display Settings heading, you can select the internal and external display outputs that you wish to change. The first setting that can be adjusted is Allow User Changes. This allows users to overwrite predefined display settings. We recommend this as it allows a user to override settings while in desktop mode. The second setting that can be adjusted is External Resolution. You can choose between always using the native resolution, which will use the auto-detected resolution, or you can choose to use a custom resolution if you want to force the Chrome box to output at a specified resolution for all external monitors. The third setting that can be adjusted is External Display Width. Adjust this setting to set your desired custom resolution width in pixels. The fourth setting that can be adjusted is External Display Height. Adjust this setting to set your desired custom resolution height in pixels. The fifth setting that can be adjusted is External Display Scale. Adjust this setting to set your desired custom external display scale percentage. The final setting that can be adjusted is Internal Display Scale. Adjust this setting to set your desired custom internal display scale percentage. When you are finished adjusting the settings, be sure to save your changes. If you are still experiencing issues with forcing the display resolution of your Chrome device, be sure to visit our knowledge base or give us a call to talk with one of our digital signage experts.